Hello beauties, welcome back. Fall is officially here and I am loving it. I love the weather, love the decor, and just love everything about fall environment. So today's video, I'm going to go over with you 5 of my main mini handbags that I'm loving right now or using the most right now. 4 of them will be designer and one of it is from a Main Street brand. I've been loving it and so I thought I would include it into this video as well. Before we do that though, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite everyday jewelry that I've been loving lately. If you've seen my Instagram or if you've seen my past couple of videos, you know that I've been wearing them non-stop and really liking them. So I thought I would share them with you. So the jewelry that I have is this cute little earrings that I have right here. It's a tiny hoop. It is from a brand called Ana Luisa and I recently just discovered them and I'm loving what I see on their little website. So these hoops right here I've been wearing a lot. It is called the Suzanne hoop. They are very tiny and at first I thought it wasn't going to fit onto my earlobes because they are so tiny. I'll take them off and I'll show you. They are super cute. So I hope that will zoom in, but look how tiny they look. They look super tiny and then they have these really cute diamonds on them. And then in the back, of course, it has the gold plated and then it just has this tiny bar on top here to go in through your loops. And at first I thought, wow, these are really small. I don't know if they're gonna fit through my loops, but they do and they feel super comfortable on, very light, very easy to wear, and just gives you that tiny bit of sparkle without being so overwhelming. Especially for everyday wear, it is ideal. I wear it to work and I'm on the phone all the time at work and it did not bother my ears at all. So I definitely would recommend this for somebody who's looking for an everyday pair of earrings. Alright, so that is the Suzanne hoop that I have here, and I also have the medium size as well. It is also the Suzanne, but it's in this little pouch right here because I'm not currently wearing it. It is the Suzanne medium hoop. These are the medium Suzanne hoop, and as you can see, the diamonds are so intricate but so pretty, and it gives it such a nice little sparkle. It honestly doesn't look that much bigger than the small hoops, however, it is a little bit bigger. And it does make a little bit more of a statement when it's in your ears. For size preference, this is the difference between the 2 hoops. This one is the small and this one is the medium. Those are the earrings that I've been wearing a lot lately. And on top of that, I've been wearing this cute bracelet that I got from Ana Luisa as well. It's in sterling silver. It's this one right here. And it has a cute little detail at the bottom. It is a little cross, which I love this detail. I think it's so cute. I love that it looks vintage but also modern at the same time. It looked vintage because of the dark patina on the sterling silver bracelet. However, it's still modern because of the silver tone. And I like the fact that it looks rock and roll, a little bit edgy, but still very feminine and elegant at the same time. It's super light on, very smooth on the arm. And then also next to it is just a chain that I had for a while now. So I just pair them together to give me a little bit of sparkle on my wrist. So those are my Ana Luisa jewelry and definitely worth it. Definitely recommend for you to check it out. So moving on to the handbags. All right, the first one I have here to show you. I've already reviewed these handbags on my channel. I'm going to link it up here if you like more details about them. I don't think I'm going to go into a full review of them in this video, but I just wanted to share with you the ones that I've been loving lately for my mini bag. First bag I have here is definitely not a stranger to this channel. I just recently reviewed this bag as my latest bag review. It is from Marni and it is the Juliette bag. I think this bag is super cute. I love it for the fall season. The tone is definitely for fall, but I wear it year round. I wear it in the summer, especially when I'm wearing jeans and a white t-shirt or just a casual look with a neutral top and a neutral pair of pants. That is usually what I carry this bag with, and I think that the tone, even though it's in an animal print, I feel like it still goes with a lot of things, and I love the leather on it. I don't know if you can see, it is the embossed leather, which has a little bit of that shiny sheen to it. I think it's magnificent. The size is awesome, even though it looks small, but it can fit so much in here. All the things I need when I'm running errands is definitely able to fit in here, especially my iPhone 12, which is pretty big. This is the Pro Max, and it does fit in here as well. So yes, I love that the inside of this bag has a little bit of a pop of color. It has this cute blue or turquoise color on the inside lining. Seems like it's felt, but I'm not sure if it is or just micro suede, but it feels really nice and soft to the hands. And then on the inside, as you can see, I've been carrying this around, so my chunk is still in here. It has the accordion style pockets, so it's easy for you to divide your and organize your stuff on the inside. Even though it's a small bag, it does let you have some organization, and which is always nice for me. On the back, it has no pockets and it has no feet, but as you can see, it's quite structured. The body of the bag doesn't compromise with use, and so far I've been wearing it around a lot and it still looks spanking new. It's super light and easy to carry, like I said, and this is definitely one of my favorite bags at the moment. So next up is a bag that's no stranger to this channel as well. It's definitely one of my favorite, if not my favorite bag. It is my Chanel small classic flap. It's a double flap and it is in the lambskin leather. And at first, when I started buying Chanel, I thought that I was going to get all caviar leather handbags, and this one is the exception. And after I got this bag, I think I've changed my mind. I love caviar leather, don't get me wrong, I do, but the lambskin leather is just so nice. It's very soft, it's buttery to the touch, and it didn't get scratched up like I thought it would. Oh, and I forgot to mention, as the lambskin leather ages, it just keep on getting shinier and shinier, which adds such a nice characteristic to the bag. And I also like the fact that it has a burgundy lining like the classic flaps, which it is a classic flap. Some people don't like the double flaps on a smaller bag, but I do. This bag has definitely been to so many places with me, especially when I travel, and it's just my bag of choice when I'm traveling, especially when I'm trying to not bring a lot of bags with me. This goes with everything. So yeah, this is my other mini handbag that I've been using a lot. The next beauty that I have in my handbag rotation right now is this Chloe Nile handbag, which I think is still beautiful. It was very popular a couple of years ago, and now you don't see many people rocking it around anymore. It's definitely not on the influencer circle as much anymore. However, I still wear it, I still love it, and would definitely recommend it to anyone. It's a little bit heavy because of this gold tone handle right here. The handle is super heavy. However, it's such a cute bag and it just goes with so many things. I love the vision, I love the design. It definitely can be dressed up as well. If you remove the removable long straps here, you can hold it with a dress just with this handle right here, and it just looks so elegant, especially for at nighttime when you're going on dates or if you go into an event. I think it's such a cute bag, and it goes with so many things. The inside of it is quite small though. This is what the inside looked like. It doesn't fit my iPhone 12 Pro Max completely. I have to tilt it kind of to the side like so whenever I put it in. However, it still is able to go in there, and then my keys, and of course a tube of chapstick or lipstick, and then my powder compact also fits in there as well. Definitely would recommend this if you're looking for a nice cute little bag and you don't take a lot of things with you, but if you're someone who needs a little bit more space, you take a little bit more things with you, then this may not be the right bag for you, so keep that in mind. But I still like it. I think it's super cute. All right, so the next one I have, or the next two bags that I have, are color bags, and I'm someone that goes for neutrals. I love neutrals, black, beige, navy, very neutral tone outfits, wardrobe, and etc. However, I do like a little bit of color now and then. I'm looking for a nice red bag. If you have any recommendation, link it down below and let me know. I've tried out some bags, red bags before, but I think maybe the ones that I've chosen is a little bit too big, and the red just kind of overwhelmed my outfit, and so that's the reason why I didn't keep them. But up next is one that I've had for a long time. I think probably 8 or 10 years now. It is my Mulberry Lily, and it is this little beauty right here. It's in this electric blue color, which I think is super beautiful. This was popular, of course, a while back, many years ago. I still have it because I still love it. I never sold it. I love that it came in this ostrich leather. This is real ostrich leather. It is an exotic leather, and I just think it wears so nice. And it's still small enough to go with a lot of things that I wear in my wardrobe. The hardware on it though, I don't know if I can zoom that in for you to see. The hardware is scratch up. It's super shiny, but it's all scratch up by now. I don't really mind scratches. I feel like those imperfection tells the story of the bag, and so it doesn't bother me. It has just small compartments on the inside, and I still have them stuffed because I'm not wearing them at the moment. This nice dainty chain on them, which you can wear double straps or you can do single stranded for crossbody, or just wing it around your shoulders. Or if you want it to be shorter on your shoulders, then you can wear it like this. It has a nice little tag which has a lock and key on the inside. It's not structured like some of my other bags, however it still kept its nice structure, and it didn't look all squishy and slouchy like some of the other soft leather bags are. So that's the reason why I still love this bag, and I do wear it a lot when I'm wearing jeans with a white t-shirt or white shirt, white button down, to keep it a little bit crisp and fresh. So that is the fourth bag that I have. The last but not least bag that I'm going to share with you is one from the streetwear collection. It is not a designer brand, it's a streetwear brand, but I've been loving it so much that I thought I'd share with you. It is an older bag from probably a couple seasons ago. It is this cute little bag right here. It is from Madewell, and I really enjoyed this bag recently. I like that it's 100% leather. It's in a nice mustard color, and it's really easy to wear. It has several different ways or options to wear it. It has this little handle right here where you can just tote it around with the handle, and then you can pop the handle back at the bottom of the bag if you want to wear it with the straps. The strap is a fabric strap. It's wide enough to be super comfortable. The yellow mustard color gives you a lot of pop of color if you want something where you're wearing a neutral palette outfit and then you want a pop of color. This definitely delivers that. I love the alligator print on this, and I love that it doesn't have a super shiny sheen on it. I love the matte leather, and it just looks really nice with a vintage look. And of course it has this cute little button right here that close the flap together or hold the flap closed. All you need to do is pop it open, which is super easy. On the inside of the bag, it has a suede or micro suede lining, super smooth, and it's in this nice mustard color as well. And then on the inside, as you can see, it just has one pocket here and then a smaller pocket in the back. This bag definitely fits my iPhone 12 in it quite comfortably. And you can fit, of course, keys and other knickknacks in here as well. And then whenever I want quick access, I definitely use the back pocket in the back right here. It has a really nice big pocket in the back of the bag. And then I just stick my phone in here when I wear it for easy access. So that is basically the bag itself. I wanted to share with you guys because I think this is a really cute bag. Definitely do recommend you to check out Madewell. They have some nice options for you to choose from there. And I believe with this bag, it is everything that I have to share with you in this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please do so that we can see you there in the next video. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye. I'm not in the mood.